Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable voice typing on your Google Pixel Pro. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your phone, including keyboard and input settings that control how you interact with your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on System. This section contains core device functions and system-level settings that affect how your Pixel operates overall. It's where Google houses important configuration options for things like keyboard input, languages, and gestures. Next, tap on Keyboard. This option takes you to the area where you can manage all your keyboard settings and input methods. It's the central hub for controlling how you type and input text on your Pixel Pro. From here, tap on Keyboard Apps. This will show you all the keyboard applications currently installed on your device. Your Pixel Pro comes with Gboard as the default keyboard, and this is where you'll access its specific settings. Now tap on Gboard to open its settings menu. Gboard is Google's official keyboard app, and it includes a wide range of features from predictive text to voice input. This is where you can customize exactly how your keyboard behaves and which features are active. Then tap on voice typing to access the voice input settings. This feature allows you to dictate text instead of typing it manually, which can be incredibly convenient when you're on the go or prefer hands-free input. Now you can see use voice typing with a toggle button right beside it. This simple toggle controls whether the voice typing feature is active on your keyboard. When enabled, you'll see a microphone icon on your Gboard that you can tap to start dictating text in any app. Tap the toggle to disable voice typing if you want to turn off this feature. Maybe you prefer typing manually or find the microphone icon on your keyboard unnecessary. Disabling it will remove the voice input option from Gboard entirely. Then tap the toggle again to enable voice typing if you want to turn the feature back on. This restores the microphone icon to your keyboard and allows you to use voice dictation whenever you need it. And that's it! You've now learned how to quickly enable or disable voice typing on your Google Pixel Pro, giving you complete control over how you input text on your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.